Hello, Mighty Machines enthusiasts. Get ready for an awe-inspiring journey into the world of construction innovation. Today, we're unveiling the most ingenious construction inventions and technologies, reshaping how we build. Welcome to the Mighty Machines channel, where we explore the marvels of construction like never before. Our first spotlight is on Align Robotics, a construction marvel that combines robotics and precision engineering. This autonomous robot is designed for layout tasks on construction sites, from marking foundations to aligning structures. Align Robotics' uniqueness lies in its ability to significantly reduce human labor hours while improving accuracy in construction layout. Dusty Robotics, our next contender, introduces a revolutionary solution for dust control on construction sites. The advanced technology of this autonomous robot minimizes airborne dust particles generated during construction activities. Dusty Robotics' uniqueness lies in its ability to improve air quality, creating healthier work environments for construction crews. The significance of this invention is clear in its contribution to worker safety and environmental health. By reducing the environmental impact of dust pollution, Dusty Robotics ensures a safer workplace and aligns with sustainable construction practices. ED System emerges as a pioneer in the construction industry, offering an innovative approach to prefabricated construction. This system utilizes robotic technology to assemble modular components, streamlining the construction process. ED System's uniqueness lies in its ability to significantly reduce construction timelines and costs while maintaining high-quality standards. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to addressing the global demand for faster and more cost-effective construction methods. By incorporating automation and robotics, the ED System enhances efficiency. Gruber Holtz House introduces a groundbreaking approach to construction with its advanced wooden construction technology. This method utilizes CNC technology and robotic precision to fabricate wooden components for building construction. Gruber Holtz House's uniqueness lies in its ability to create sustainable and energy-efficient structures using precision-engineered wooden elements. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to eco-friendly construction practices and the promotion of wooden structures as a viable alternative to traditional building materials. Gruber Holtz House aligns with the growing demand for sustainable construction solutions by reducing the environmental impact associated with conventional construction materials. While the initial costs may be slightly higher, the long-term benefits in energy efficiency, reduced carbon footprint, and enhanced structural quality make Gruber Holtz House a game-changing innovation in the construction industry. Construction robotics steps onto the construction stage, focusing on automation and efficiency. These robots are designed to handle repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, such as bricklaying and concrete finishing. The uniqueness of construction robotics lies in its ability to improve productivity and reduce the physical strain on construction workers. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to faster construction timelines and enhanced worker safety. By automating routine tasks, construction robotics not only streamlines the construction process, but also addresses labor shortages in the industry. While the upfront costs may be notable, the long-term benefits of increased construction efficiency and improved worker well-being make construction robotics an indispensable asset for construction projects of all sizes. Trono introduces a revolutionary construction material that combines strength with flexibility. This engineered material is designed to act as a shock absorber, mitigating vibrations and impacts in buildings and infrastructure. Tronsol's uniqueness lies in its ability to enhance structural resilience, especially in earthquake-prone regions. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to increased structural safety and longevity. By minimizing the environmental impact associated with traditional reinforcement methods, Tronsol aligns with sustainable construction practices. While the initial costs may be slightly higher, the long-term benefits of structural durability, reduced maintenance, and improved safety make Tronsol a groundbreaking innovation in construction materials. GreenBlue takes center stage with its innovative approach to sustainable construction. This company provides eco-friendly building materials and solutions, emphasizing reducing environmental impact. GreenBlue's uniqueness lies in its commitment to using recycled and environmentally friendly materials in construction projects. The significance of this invention is clear in its contribution to sustainable building practices and the reduction of carbon footprints. By promoting the use of green materials, GreenBlue ensures a healthier environment and aligns with the growing demand for sustainable construction options. While the initial costs may be on par with traditional materials, the long-term benefits of environmental conservation, reduced waste, and improved indoor air quality make GreenBlue a visionary in sustainable construction. Pon Shoring introduces an innovative approach to excavation support systems. This shoring solution temporarily supports trenches and excavations, ensuring worker safety and stability during construction. Pon Shoring's uniqueness lies in its modular design and ease of installation, allowing for quick and efficient deployment on construction sites. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to improved construction site safety and efficiency. Pon Shoring aligns with sustainable construction practices by minimizing the environmental impact of traditional shoring methods. While the initial costs may be a consideration, the long-term benefits of enhanced worker safety, reduced construction delays, and adaptability make Pon Shoring a crucial asset for construction projects worldwide. Brandenburger Group takes construction into the underground realm with its innovative waterproofing solutions. Specializing in geosynthetic barriers, the Brandenburger Group's uniqueness lies in its ability to provide effective and long-lasting protection against water infiltration in construction projects. The significance of this invention is clear in its contribution to preserving the structural integrity of buildings and infrastructure, especially in areas prone to water-related challenges. Diamond Piers enters the construction arena with a revolutionary approach to foundation support. These pier systems are designed to provide stable and durable foundations, even in challenging soil conditions. Diamond Pier's uniqueness lies in its spiral design, allowing for easy installation and superior load-bearing capacity. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to reliable foundation support, reducing the risks associated with settling and soil movement. By offering a versatile and efficient foundation solution, Diamond Piers ensures the stability of structures. She minimizes the environmental impact of traditional foundation methods. While the initial costs may be notable, the long-term benefits of reduced maintenance, enhanced structural stability, and adaptability make Diamond Piers a transformative force in construction foundation technology. AquaTech Waterproofing dives into the construction scene, focusing on advanced waterproofing solutions. This company specializes in protecting structures from water damage, offering various products and services. AquaTech Waterproofing's uniqueness lies in its tailored approach, providing customized solutions for different construction scenarios. The significance of this invention is clear in its contribution to preventing water-related issues, preserving the integrity of buildings, and mitigating the risks of mold and deterioration. By addressing water-related challenges, AquaTech Waterproofing ensures the longevity of constructions and aligns with sustainable construction practices. The footing tube steps onto the construction stage, offering an innovative solution for concrete footings. This cylindrical formwork system is designed to simplify the process of creating footings for buildings and infrastructure. The footing tube's uniqueness lies in its ease of use and adaptability to various construction projects. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to faster and more efficient footing installations, reducing labor requirements and project timelines. By streamlining the footing process, the footing tube enhances construction efficiency. It minimizes the environmental impact associated with traditional formwork methods. While the initial cost may be moderate, the long-term benefits of reduced labor expenses, increased construction speed, and adaptability make the footing tube a valuable addition to construction projects worldwide. Nature stone enters the construction landscape with an eco-friendly approach to surfacing solutions. This innovative material combines natural stone aggregates with an environmentally friendly resin, creating durable and visually appealing surfaces. Nature stone's uniqueness lies in its sustainable composition, offering a greener alternative to traditional flooring materials. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to eco-conscious construction practices and the reduction of environmental impact. By promoting the use of sustainable materials, Nature Stone enhances the aesthetics of construction and aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly building solutions. While the initial costs may be comparable to traditional flooring, the long-term benefits of reduced environmental footprint, improved indoor air quality, and aesthetic appeal make Nature Stone a trailblazer in sustainable construction surfaces. Rolled 12 brings innovation to the construction scene with its unique reinforcing solution. This patented system is designed to improve the load-bearing capacity of structures by strategically reinforcing concrete elements. Rolled 12's uniqueness lies in its adaptability to various construction scenarios, offering a versatile solution for strengthening existing structures. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to extending the lifespan of buildings and infrastructure, reducing the need for extensive renovations. Rolled 12 ensures the structural integrity of constructions by providing a cost-effective and efficient reinforcement method. Kuvalda emerges as a digital disruptor in the construction industry, offering an innovative online marketplace for construction materials. This platform connects construction professionals with suppliers, streamlining the procurement process. Kuvalda's uniqueness lies in its digital approach to material sourcing, providing a convenient and efficient way for construction projects to acquire needed materials. The significance of this invention is clear in its contribution to improving the efficiency of material procurement and reducing downtime and costs. By digitizing the supply chain, Kuvalda enhances construction project management and minimizes the environmental impact associated with traditional procurement processes. Prince introduces a revolutionary solution for construction safety, focusing on preventing accidents and injuries on construction sites. This innovative system utilizes advanced sensors and artificial intelligence to detect potential safety hazards in real time. Prince's uniqueness lies in its proactive approach to construction site safety, providing instant alerts and insights to prevent accidents. The significance of this invention is evident in its contribution to improving overall construction safety and reducing the risks of injuries and fatalities. By harnessing technology for safety, Prince not only enhances the well-being of construction workers, but also aligns with the industry's commitment to prioritizing safety. While the initial investment may be considerable, the long-term benefits in reduced accidents, improved worker morale, and enhanced project reputation make Prince an essential tool in construction site safety. And there you have it, Construction Revolutionaries, a captivating exploration of the most ingenious construction inventions and technologies reshaping how we build. Which invention sparked your curiosity and inspired your vision for the future of construction? Share your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, subscribe for more construction marvels, and remember to share this video with your fellow construction enthusiasts. Until our next expedition into the world of mighty machines, stay innovative, stay forward-thinking, and stay tuned to the Mighty Machines channel for more groundbreaking revelations. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next episode.